Yo, what's happening, guys? So in this video I'm gonna show you how we're gonna replace the spark plugs of my wife's vehicle, because we got a check engine light. You know what I mean? That means only one thing: change the spark plugs. So I already checked the check engine light code. It says it's spark plug number 2, I believe. Yeah, I think it's 2. But either way, we just hit 100,000 miles, so I'm gonna replace all of them. So I'm gonna show you how we're gonna do it. So let's do it. Okay, guys. So got the spark plugs right here, ready to go. So let's pop this boy real quick. Let's do it. Okay, guys, so it's a little bit dirty, but that's how it's supposed to, look like it. It's dirty because it doesn't need to be fixed or anything, except, changing the spark plugs, which is pretty normal thing. I don't know. What do you guys think? Okay, next thing, gloves. So first we need to pop these guys out. I'm gonna use this guy because, why not? Now this guy right here. Now next thing, there's a clip right here in the back. Push down and out. And now this guy right here. And gently up. Back from the other back. And voila! We have 3 right here and 3 right there. So T30. Boom. Okay, before removing all of the screws, I'm gonna actually unplug the wires. To do that, let me see if you guys can be able to see it. So right here, there's this pin. You need to pull it back, and then down, and there we go. There we go. You see that? Boom. Super easy. So now we're going to remove the coils one by one, and I'm going to keep them in order, but I'm going to keep them in order just in case if my check engine light doesn't go away after that. So slowly, just wiggle, 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 wiggle. Boom. The first one. So now, for the next task, I'm gonna use the 5/8. This guy right here. It has a gasket on the inside. A little rubber gasket. Like this, when you push it in, let me actually show you. When you push the spark plug in, you see that? Now it locks it into the socket so you can pull it out. Boom! Do this one by one. Maybe it's bad, maybe it's not. You guys tell me. Let me show the difference. This is the new guy, this is the old guy, obviously. So I don't know. One of these guys from AutoZone or Raleigh anti-seize. Hey guys, so we're gonna take a little bit out of there. I'm gonna apply it on the threads, just like that. Make sure don't push on the top, pushing on the bottom. Boom, just like that. It's nice in. Boom. So first I'm gonna hand tight all of the spark plugs, and then I'm gonna grab my torque wrench and torque it for spec. So let's speed up the process. Okay guys, so next thing is to torque all of the spark plugs back. So to torque that, you need to be right here. You guys see that? 90 degree, 23 Newton meters, 17 foot torque, 17 foot-pound. Yeah, guess what? So boom. On top you have Newton meters, bottom you have foot-pound. So basically right around here. 25 Newton meters, 17 foot-pounds. Got it? Get it? Get it done. Woo! Perfect. So good in the hood. Okay. So basically, show you. There we go. That's 25 Newton meters right there. When you align basically this line with the 25, simple it is, no? Super nice and handy too. Now for the next thing, I'm gonna add a little bit anti-seize on the rubber on the inside, just around, just so next time it's easier if you need to pull them out, stuff like that. Okay guys, so these spark plugs are here, the serial number right here. And there we have it. So these spark plugs, I got them as a kit from FCP Euro. They're not a sponsor. This is just, just a plug for you guys. I got them from there. 6, I think, was around like $50 with a lifetime warranty. Maybe it was cheaper. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the like button. You know, it doesn't cost you anything. Just, you know, when you guys see the little button, just smash it and call it a day. Yo. Wait a second. Totally forgot. Let's start the card and see, you know, how it runs, because, you know, I think it's fair. You have to hear it. So, let me start it. Okay guys, and one more plug. So this guy right here, you guys can diagnose your vehicle, and actually there is an options where you can actually code, you know, your vehicle as well. So let me show you how this guy works. So basically first plug it in. Okay, when you plug it in, then get the car app, which is this guy. Hit connect, and then basically from that point it's loading some information. I'm gonna speed up this process so I can show you now what's actually when it's plugged into the vehicle. Okay, right here you guys can see right now it's looking for any codes. Okay guys, so this is how it looks like. Now it's just gonna show you, you know, the errors and all that stuff, and on the bottom it's gonna show you it's good, bad, or whatnot. There you can clear it. Let's put the car in ignition, and then you can hear clear. Okay, boom, close. You can start the car again. There you have it. There is no check engine light or anything. So I'm gonna put a link in the description down below for this little guy. If you guys wanna get it, it's pretty cheap. I think it's like 80 bucks, something like that. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.